This phone genuinely surprised me. I mean, I'm not sure how Realme managed to fit 8000 mAh battery inside a phone that's only 8.8mm thin. And this is not just a battery phone either. You are getting a 144Hz display, a loud stereo speaker, Sony AI camera, and some really fun AI features too. So after using the device for quite some time now, here are all of my thoughts and review of the realme 16T. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing. You get the usual stuff inside the box, but honestly, the first thing I noticed was how thin and comfortable this phone actually feels. Because normally, phones with massive batteries feel bulky, but this actually feels surprisingly slick, and that flat design with that massive 6.8-inch display looks really clean. The display here is actually really great for content consumption, social media, and pretty much everything. You are getting a 144Hz refresh rate and scrolling feels super smooth. And pair it with a 400% ultra volume speaker, watching YouTube or any type of content consumption is honestly really fun. And the speakers get loud. The Realme 16T comes with MediaTek 6300 and for daily use, honestly, no complaints. But honestly, the real highlight here is the battery. With 8000 mAh battery, you literally stop worrying about charging. Now, talking about camera, on the Realme 16T, you get the Sony 50MP IMX852 AI camera. And surprisingly, the photos out of this looks really nice. Overall, the colors look good, but in portrait mode, edge detection could be better. Also, my most favorite part of the camera is the Vibe Master mode. It gives your photos this cool cinematic vibe. Also, there are plenty of options to choose from and to dial in the exact look you want for the photo. And also, there's this tiny selfie mirror beside the camera. I mean, it feels kind of random, but also at the same time, it's kind of fun to use. And the AI Popout feature is pretty fun to play around and create social media content. So overall, for 29,999, I mean under 30,000, I think the Realme 16T is one of the most interesting phone available in this budget right now, especially if battery life matters to you. But I want to know your thoughts. I mean, what do you guys think? Would you buy a phone specially for the battery? I mean, what do you guys think about the Realme 16T? Do let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next one. Till then, ta-ra.